So I will be making a honeycomb beehive. You can try it as long as with me. So first we need toilet paper rolls that are empty, paint, of course a paintbrush, a stapler to glue them together, stick them together, or you could just use a glue stick, but stick both of them together are good to make them stick together. And we need some origami paper. This should be yellow, or white. Origami bees, so they can be in the beehive. So we are going to start with this, shaping them into the shape they need to be. Just bend it, bend. I'm not sure what shape this is supposed to be in. It's really hard to mold it into it. I'm just going to do it into a square. It's easier. And we will need scissors as well. So we need shape them, and when you shape them, I'm going to shape them into a square because I'm not sure how to do it into the other shape. And then we chop it in half. Okay, I'm just going to pause it here, and then it will be in. So I am done chopping them in half. So now we need to shape them like, do this, stick, just like that, and two at the bottom. Here's the last two at the bottom. So that's just going to stick. Glue these two together, so get the glue stick, glue, here we go, but it will sometimes fall off, so that's when we get the stapler and staple it. Together. I'm maybe going to do another one because it's a bit wobbly. Okay. Once you're done sticking them together, so once you're finished stapling them in twos. Oh, I think I did this wrong. But anyways, don't do what I'm doing because we're going to need twos. And then we need one right here and two at the top. Okay, so I'm going to have to try to take this off. There you go, we need two loose. So, one right here. So I'm going to glue this together. Just taking the staples out. Okay, I've taken the staple out. You can see the holes. See, there's one left right here, and there we go, it's done. Now we just need to stick it there. And now we need to get the glue and stick it. Now, let's staple it 2 times because it's more secured when it's staple it 2 times. Okay, now we have a 3. Now we have a 2. And then we need a 2 at the bottom. So we don't need this one. Actually, we can have it at the... No, we don't need this one. No, we don't need it. Okay, so how we're going to glue it together is staple it. Let's just see if we can do that. Okay, I have done this one together. Now we need to do this one together. You can add more to it, but I only had 4. Okay, we're almost finished. To the last one, which is very hard. Okay, I'll do it at the back. I just ran out of staplers, so I just got some more. That's why it wasn't working. So let's just do the last. Come on, work, please. There you go, that worked. So I've got this right here. Oh, okay, I need to do this one now. I wasn't finished. There we go. I think your one would look better, but this is what I got because I don't think the shapes were good. But now we're going on to the part of painting. When we paint it, we leave it to dry, and then also the time we're leaving it to dry, we can make the origami bees. Okay, so let's paint it. So I've got my paintbrush, roll up my sleeves, get paint, just squirt it somewhere safe. Oh, I did not notice I had one more roll left. Well, I'm just going to add this roll to it. So, I just added it to the top. So now it's balanced like that. Now let's get to painting. So, get the paint, squirt it somewhere sensible that you won't run into it. Just a little bit at the time. Okay. Well, when I'm painting it, I'm just gonna pause this while I'm painting it. I have finished my honeycomb beehive. Now I'm going to make the bees. So I'm going to put this to the side to dry. And now I'm going to show you how to make this bee. It's an origami bee. So first, you need an origami paper. Just get in a box. Origami paper. You can have yellow or white, which I don't have white, but if you had white, I'll try to show you how to do it too. The first step is I just need to stick to this. So I just unwrapped this, and this is what it looks like this. So one side you need the sting, the stripes. So you need a black pin to make stripes, and also black pin. To know where you're gonna go is you fold it, you flip it over, and then you fold it, and then fold it the other side. Fold it the other side. And then you fold it half like that, and you flip it over, and then you know where to end. So the end right here, so there's no overline. So I'm going to do it with this. So I'm going to get my black pencil. Usually you would use a marker, but the marker is, I don't have a marker, but the marker's better. But I just need a sec. It just took a while to search for the black pencil in the thingy, but I found it. So I'm going to have, first I need to fold it. But if you had it all white, you just choose what side. But if there's a white side right here, you would have the yellow side colored in yellow side with these stuff. But if there's a white side and a yellow side, you just do it on the yellow side, so you can see the yellow stripes as well. So to get a measurement, fold it in half, not half, in the triangle, and do it the other way. And now you have these triangle squares. And then now you bend it this way, and then bend it this way. So the yellow side, this is the white side we turned. Then you bend it so you see the yellow side. If you had a yellow and then a white. I mean white and yellow. So let's just bend it. There, now you have the shape like this. This is a bit crinkly because it's folded in all shapes and stuff. Now we see. Now we just need to color this all black. You can have a paper underneath so you don't get on the table, but I have newspaper, so that's fine. And the other side stripes, so let's do it. I just put it from here. So I'm finishing off this side, but I did it the wrong way. But I was coloring it like this. Okay, I'm just going to try to get no yellow spots so it looks all black. Okay, now, see, I got some black lines because that's why I have newspaper underneath. And now, this side for the stripes. Just mark it. You can have a ruler for this as well, but I'm not going to use a ruler. Okay, now I'm going to color it in. Okay, I have finished. So there's the stripes. There is the colored in full. Just like this. So I'm going to show you how to do this. So we bend it like this, and then And then what you do is have forgotten, but I am going to see if I can remember. Okay, I have remembered now. So you want the black coloured and full one facing the top of you, and then you flip it over and then you bend it like this. So I'm going to do it your way, so it's like this, and then you get this flap, bend it to directly to the middle and do it to the other side, and there you have this kind of thing. Now when you got that, you fold it over like that, but not fully, just fold it over. Oh wait, first you need to flip it over so you can see this black triangle, and then you fold it up like this, so like this, and then you get this. It's hard to do on your ankle, and then you do okay, I just need to see how to do it. Okay, what I have forgotten is that this was like this. You need to make it like that. Forgot. So you fold it over like this, and then you push this down, and you push the other one down, and then it'll be like this. But let me try it your way. So there we have like this. Bring that forward. Get this corner, push it down, and then push the other side down and flatten it. After you do that, you push this down. Now you have this kind of shape. So these bits are going to be the wings. They usually are white, so it's good if you have a yellow and then a white on the other side, but I had just the yellow. So what you do is, so you have them pointy at the end, but you want them nice and smooth because the wings are smooth. So you bend this, bend both corners up like that, and after you do that, unfold it so there's a crank. You put your finger through here and then push this down, push the corner down and flatten it, and then now you have that. Let's do this one. So you open it, get this bit, push the corner down. Okay, that didn't work much, so you just need to push it, and there we go. It has that nice smooth bottom. After that, you turn it around and so once you've made these wings bottom nice and flat like that, this one's not, so I'm just going to quickly do it. There we go. What you do is you want the side that has this bit, and you can do underneath. So just lift this up a bit, get this flat wing, bend it down to the center of the line, and do that to the other one. and you just bring that down. Now you kind of have the form of the bee. Okay, I'm going to do everything. I'm going to use this paper after I finish this one, and then so you can have a recap. So once you've done this bit, you want to flip it over, and you want to see this. So when you see this, you want to get these corner things, fold it, and then fold it back out. But also, like, it's like this, not fold it and fold it back out. Just go back to the same. You want to look at like this, fold it, and then quickly fold it out. So there's still some inside, some outside. And then you do that to the other. So fold it in, fold it back out. Just like that. Now you do the head, fold it in. Now it's a flat head. But you don't want a flat head. And then you just fold it out again. Now it looks like this. Now you actually have your bee. But if you don't like the wings too big and you want to see more of this bit, you just open it a little bit and then just bend it inside. So now you can see more of that. So I'll do it closer. So you fold it up, bend it in. So see, it's been folded in. Bring it in. Now you can see more of this part. Now you have your bee. But I have yellow wings, but that's fine. Now you see the now a flat part, smooth wing, smooth. And now you have the head, stripes, and this is the back. So this isn't dry just yet, but when it's dry, we're gonna fit these through, and then it'll be like poking out like a bee. It's like chilling in there. Let's put that back up there. Now I'm just gonna do everything of this. So remember, you fold it like that, fold it like that. Now you want to fold in again. So now you have this. And now, flip it over. And do everything your way. And bend it like this. Fold that nice and neat. And then bend this. And then flip it over. Bring this up a little bit. Because you can see this line over here. So there's already a crink over there. Not fully. Get this corner to the center. Right. To the center. Like that. And now this bit to the center. Just like that. Now we just bring this one down. Oops. Bring that back up. Now just bring this triangle down. There we go. Now it looks like this. Now we need to make the corners like this. I'll just pause this bit. So now we have the flat wings. Now what we do is bring this up, get this, fold it into the middle, like that, do that to the other one, lift this, fold it into the middle, like, pretty hard to show you, but there we go. Now we have the wings. Now we flip it over again, and then we just fold these corners in, and then bring a bit out, like that. Do that to the other one. And like, oops. Like that, and do that to the head. Real quick, you know what I mean. Now flip it over. We have the head, the wings. I don't really like it. It's too flat out. So I'm just going to bend it a bit in. Do that to the other one. Try to make it even so it doesn't look too different. There we go. So I'm just going to make a few more. And this will probably be dry. And then we can put them in. So I have made my bees, and yep, 3 of them. So here's my honeycomb. So it's not dry, but I guess it could go in. So you can put one right there. And one maybe there. And one right here. So this is my honeycomb. So hope you enjoyed.